Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Renaming columns in a pandas data frame is a common operation when working with data. You can rename columns using the rename method in pandas. This method allows you to specify a dictionary where keys are the existing column names and values are the new column names. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to rename columns in a pandas data frame with a code example. Step 1. Import the pandas library. Step 2. Create a sample data frame. Let's create a sample data frame to demonstrate how to rename columns. Step 3. Rename columns using the rename method. Output. In the code example above, we first create a sample data frame with columns A, B, and C. Then, we define a dictionary new _ column _ names to map the existing column names to the new column names. Finally, we use the rename method to rename the columns in the data frame. This is how you can rename columns in a pandas data frame. Feel free to modify the code example to suit your specific use case.